Sitting right there in the second end, Kayden Carmona coming on up on them. Looks to be, as we go around the top of the turn, it still looks to be Bigup's leading the way with Evan Alvarez. That's it, we come, 40 by relay, here comes the overtaker. Sitting right there in the second, looks to be Wolverine timing. Right here in the third.
Oh yeah, you can clearly see it. It's close.
Sitting right there in the third, looks to be Discretion Advised right there with the back in here. They come on up and lead the way. It looks to be Tillman's making the way on up in the front. It looks to be Tillman. She's showing the way. Let battle, make some noise. Western, we got Iron Eyes. They blew the hole. Here comes Tillman. They are the stone. Get on! And here comes Amiot pushes her enough. They're in a little bit of trouble. Get on, Bradley! Amiot comes down on the third. This is going to get a second. And Wolverine Canyon. No, not Wolverine Canyon. Hollywood right there going in there in the lead. Shining Hollywood. They're from Reindeer, Montana. There looks to be Hollywood. But here comes Brady Discretion. It looks to be JonMarc. JonMarc's more early lead. Tiffany, Anthony with Adrian Onina. Adrian Onina's put the move up on her. But here it comes. And JonMarc had a little bit of trouble. Don't time out. River Road's taking over the lead as we come out of the track. Black Road, oh, let it go! There goes River Road. I told you down, top, bring it down, Darren's struggling in the way as they go to the top of the turn. There looks to be Darren. Darren's Armstrong is all alone. But JonMarc's trying to contest. Here comes White Knight. There's Darren Armstrong. Coming down. That's straight. Black Ride. Oh, that's some power. Here comes River Road. River Road is the high line. It's the short man in the circle. There looks to be JonMarc's coming to walk. But it's River Road. He's got a little bit of trouble, and it opens the way up for River Road. River Road is all the way on the front side. It still looks to be River Road. River Road's got the win today, and we're having a little bit of trouble. And hopefully he can get set up and make sure to run on the inside. And that looks to be Darren. Darren's all alone. Blackfoot, we appreciate the help from the rest of the team. Darren, get in the middle. Build a wall right there. Blackfoot, Idaho, this is a rough race, but we recovered. Give him a round of applause. River Road! With Darren, Dr. Strong. And there goes Black Mountain Express. Black Mountain Express technically is sitting in the second place. And we need EMS on down there.
Guys, please stay up the track with the Canadians up. Stand in the back, please.
Go! Go! Here it comes, Adrian Onina. Adrian getting in the middle of the track. Here comes Adrian. Happening right here in the know who's on what place, but here's Adrian Hogan and give him a round of applause. Thank you, man. Yep. Pushing on the inside, looks to be Little Mountain. The second looks to be S&M. S&M with kicks and hugs. He's trying to make a move up on that. Sitting right there in the third looks to be Big Metal. Big Metal's trying to make a move up on him. As we go to the backstretch, it still looks all the way with Weston Burden Brown. Weston Burden Brown's got to go on to hole number 2. Here comes Little Mountain. Little Mountain's off. He's having some trouble, but there goes PG's off. He's out there, but there's He's coming from away. But Big Metal got the clean switch up on him right there as he went into the first hole. Big Metal made it clean. Sitting right there in the second looks to be where the peach color is Big Up. Big Metal right there in the front. He looks to be Big Metal. Fort Smith is leading the way. He looks to be all alone. But here comes Big Up. Big Up wants a little piece of the action. Star's got to get him caught, but here comes PG Milby. PG Milby going right there. He's off. They're standing. He's on. They're gone. He's off right in the hole. But there goes Big Up. Big Up right there with him. S&M spin him in and he's gone. Michael's got him right there. There goes Kingston. And here goes Weston. Weston running around right there with Little Mountain. As we finish going to right there to turn number 2. It still looks to be right there in the front. Looks to be Big Metal. Big Metal showing the way. Big Metal showing you how it's done out there from Fort Smith, Montana. PG Novi back from Idaho. How you like it? Let him look. They're going to try to kick him. PG Novi pick him up. Right there on his tail and sitting right there in the third. Looks to be Kingston up with S&M Express right here in the fourth. It looks to be Weston Burden Brown with Little Mountain. Just right. What's next? Even heat number 2. Your official lineup is right here, back to us, taking third. Coming out of Troy, Agency, Montana. Give him a round of applause. That's going to go to S&M Express with Kingston Hunt.
I guess we're going to go
Get out of the way! Teton goes right there. And it looks to be Tissa Dimmitt. But sitting right there in the second looks to be Boogie Boys. Boogie Boys making his move up on him. There goes Boogie Boys, but still in the way. It looks to be Tissa Dimmitt. Tissa Dimmitt sitting right there in the first. Sitting right there in the second looks to be Boogie Boys with Frankie Gould. Sitting right there in the third. Behind that looks to be Teton. Teton's trailing in the third. But here comes Teton with his Eric Kobe. Right behind that in the fourth. Looks to be that stretch we come. Black Fire, make some noise! Here comes Teton. Teton's right there. But Tissa Dimmitt's right there. Tissa Dimmitt's on. He's on. But there goes Boogie Boys. Boogie Boys is on. Coming in the lead looks to be Teton. Teton's got a good switch on him. There goes his Eric Kobe. He's sitting there in the second. But Tissa Dimmitt's got the horsepower. The horsepower pushes through on the gray. Leading the way looks to be Tissa Dimmitt. Tissa Dimmitt, they are in it to win it. We all know it. And here comes down the stretch we come. It's still Tissa Dimmitt. Tissa Dimmitt's got to come all the way down in number 4 hole. Teton's got to go down in number 5 hole. Here's Frankie Gould. Frankie Gould might get the jump on him right here. And there's Teton. spin burning ground. Mr. Tristan Burning Ground with Burning Ground.
What y'all think of heat number 3?
Your second place winner right there goes to Tissa Dimmitt and Mias Teton. But your winner of heat number 3, none other than the whole.
Whoa, do we have an announcer? Oh, Dave, look at that. Hey, Reyes, I guess I'll announce it from down here. Or go up here. Oh, I don't know. I can stand. Maybe stand in the audience. Riders, in this heat, I don't know. First heat here, announcer, what do we have? Yuki on the first, Kobe in the second. Look at she okay? Ready? All right, here we go. Coming in for your first exchange, Anthony, Yuki on the team for the first, Kobe in the second. And in the black, we have the Bad Rock Warriors sitting for third. Third, we have the 4K anything. Coming in for the first exchange, we have the Kobe team and the Kobe team.
Go down!
He is off, and he is on! Kobe's off and on! And then he was raced. 25. Fourth exchange, we have 4K to the second. New Cabin still turning out. We have. In the next race, we have the Kobe taking the lead. Instead of second place, we have 4K Relay. They're Yoki on the team. Coming in for the last and final stage, Kobe is on. And he is on. Yes, that's right. 4K to the second. Yoki on the horn. We have the Warriors coming out, going out. And 4K Relay to the second. Yoki on the third. Okay, far ahead we have the Kobe team. Taking the lead, look at DJ's taking it easy. Turn around. Ready, let's make some noise for the Kobe team. And in the second place, it is the 4K Relay team. Coming in first to the Bad Rock Warriors Sports. Yoki on the relay. Oh! You took the lead along. Hey, Bad Rock Warriors comes to the next pass. I totally apologize for screwing up.